In short, intellectual property drives knowledge economies. In 2010, the then President of India declared the next 10 years to be India's decade of innovation. Unfortunately, recent events in India suggest otherwise. Particular policy, regulatory, and legal decisions have deteriorated IP rights in India, making India an outlier in the international community.
Our trade relationship with India has grown dramatically in the last 2 decades. American businesses need that huge market, and India needs us.
India, the world's largest democracy, is an important ally and trading partner for the United States. It is also a market full of potential for U.S. companies, boasting the second largest population, a strong workforce, and a rising middle class.
We are starting to see some significant and worrisome policies, particularly those related to intellectual property.
We have a lot of concerns about what's going on today in India, especially their emerging market access barriers, protectionist measures.
India's inadequate protection, to put it mildly, and enforcement of intellectual property rights is a real challenge. It's about protecting their generic industry at the expense of the intellectual property created in the United States.
I really share the frustration with our job creators and our innovators at what is happening with foreign governments who are constantly trying to undermine our intellectual property and use it for their benefit and gain.
My blood boils when I hear that India is revoking and denying patents and granting compulsory license for cancer treatments, or adopting local content requirements, or the recent Chamber of Commerce Day that ranked India's IP environment behind China and Russia. China?
Basic intellectual property protections are being set aside. They've invalidated and broken American drug patents, as I say. I think these actions are in disregard of WTO rules. I think they're fundamentally disruptive to innovation, and I think, frankly, it's a major concern because it could spread.
We're very concerned about the innovation and the investment environment in India at the moment. Ultimately, as you point out, it comes down to the possibilities of enforcement as well. We have brought cases against India in the WTO, and we have thought that would be the best way to resolve issues, and we're consulting with industry to determine how best to proceed in these cases as well.